We are back at it again here with another video with Invest for Tomorrow. To the first time viewers and investors, welcome to the channel. To all subscribers, welcome back. All I ask for in return is for you to smash that like button to when you watch this video. Helps out the YouTube channel and lets me know you appreciate the time and effort I put into making these videos. So here we are with Prog, and I stated yesterday it was in a point of possible reversal, and it retested the lows from yesterday and bounced back up. We're going to break it all down in today's video. But before we do, I want to share with you guys the home run opportunities that cannot be overlooked or missed. These two opportunities were phenomenal and beyond expectations. And if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and we're going to jump right into it here with Prog. So the home runs of the day were spectacular and beyond expectations, and if you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord, and by joining, you'll become part of a growing community of investors, all looking to learn and grow together. So these are the stocks I mentioned this morning. Every single one of them gave us 5 to 10%, 10 to 20%, but two of them turned out to be home runs, and that was XXII. We caught this one pretty early on in the pre-market as it was pulling downwards. It got that bear indicator after the bell, leveled off, and then it went into strength with 42 vision, ultimate 42 vision bull indicator, and it went all the way up for a highest point of 40% plus, guys. And then we have here ENSC. We watched this one as it was pulling downwards as well towards the bell, went into weakness on 42 vision, ultimate 42 vision bear indicator. Through the volatility, it was trying to find a bottom. It consolidated, went back into strength. We got that bull indicator, another process of consolidation and strength, and it gave a highest point of 40% plus, guys. If you want to get on early with us every single morning, we strive for opportunities like these. Check out the link down below in the description to the Discord. We look forward to having you join us, and let's jump into these charts. So here we are with Prog, and after an explosive run, it has actually died off, but it's holding itself up from today's lows and yesterday's lows, right? So we're going to look at today's chart with ultimate 42 vision and 42 vision itself. And everyone always asks in the comments down below how to gain access to my setup in the charts. This is 42 vision. You can now gain access to it as well. The link is down below in the description to the 42 vision indicator. And by joining the 42 vision tier level, you'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, as well as the premium indicators to maximize on opportunities within the volatility of the markets, receiving the clarity you deserve to have the confidence to navigate through the volatility no matter what's going on in the charts. So here we are with Prog, and this stock was setting up for a reversal. I stated that in yesterday's video based off the 30-minute. It was in a very exciting point. It hit a low yesterday of 217. Today it bounced off of 215. So it created a support right around those lows. And it was in extreme weakness all this time. And some reversals are stronger than others, right? Like we saw here, this one was a little bit weak. And then we also saw here, this one was a little bit stronger, right? So some are weaker than others. Some are stronger than others, and today's was not as strong as we would like it, but it was a decent move from those lows, right? From way down here at 215 all the way up to 231, nearly a 10% move, and that right there was some strength. Now, we were not seeing any bull indicators popping up on the 30-minute, and we just got one that popped up here. This right here, even though it went up and pulled down a little bit, it still is kind of holding some strength. As long as it doesn't break through these lows here of 221 or even here at 219, this might be a move of a staircase effect that it might continue in that upward direction. So we definitely want to keep that in mind and pay close attention to it. A bull indicator popped up on the 30-minute, and let's go ahead and see here what the 4 hour is showing. So it is under a bear indicator. It has been going downwards, but it's slightly leveling off. If you kind of look at it, it's kind of leveling off here. And we want to see if it can bounce off of this, break through resistance levels, and create that staircase effect to that upward direction. Now, on the 1 day as well, you could see that things have been under a bearish indicator for some time. And we have two bright red bars back to back, right? So it tried leveling off here and it's continued in this downward direction. So the 30-minute is right now the only one showing bullishness, right? So we need this one to pull up the 4-hour with it, the 1 day, but it's going to take a lot more inflow and volume than you would expect, right? Because volume has died down a little bit. The average 10-day volume is 13 million. Today's was 8 million. But what made it run up so fast and go down so fast? Well, I stated in yesterday's video, and I've stated it in the previous videos, how low the days to cover is. Even though it's been going up, it's still pretty low, and it gives the flexibility to the shorts, and the short position is still 17% based off of this data. But the short volume ratio per day keeps fluctuating every single day. Like yesterday, it was a little bit lower. Then today, it's a little bit higher. And it just keeps going higher. The borrow fee rate is just a little bit under 30%. And then we have here the short shares availability, guys. Last updated 9 minutes ago, 250,000 short shares available. That tells you something. Every time this goes to zero and then back up a couple 100,000, that's how we're seeing these movements happen, going up really fast and going back down because of the days to cover not being so high, giving flexibility to the shorts to be able to cover their positions and then re-short it and put more pressure to the downside and bring it up a little bit and then take it down even harder if the bulls do not come with enough strength to hold it up. Now, with this tactic that the shorts are using, if the bulls gear up and gather up and hold, right, they don't get shaken out. They hold and push this up higher little by little, right? Staircase effects. They can trap shorts along the way, and the pressure of a short squeeze is going to be huge, right? But we're far from that right now. The shorts and bulls and the bears are all arguing and battling, as you could see it in these charts. If you really take a look at it, I mean, the bulls were doing a big job here at holding this up, and the shorts just pulled it right down to this point. So the battle is on here between the shorts, the bears, and the bulls, but there is a huge amount of short interest on this stock. And if this stock can hold up above 214, 215, and not break through $2, worst case scenario, this could still have some strength to reverse back up to the upside and trap shorts based off of what the data is showing and what the charts are showing. As always, guys, if you want to receive clarity in the charts, check out the link down below to the 42 vision indicator. You'll gain access to the daily watch list, weekly watch list, and a community of investors all looking to learn and grow together, and the clarity you deserve with the premium indicators to navigate the volatility of the markets with confidence to maximize on opportunities. Thank you guys so much for watching, and let's make some money.